Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Ain't No Sunshine by Bill Withers, and I've taken the original recording from the 1976, I think, with the band, with a drummer who really looks extremely stoned. Yeah, and I transcribed here for you what the guitar part of Bill Withers was. But there are, of course, since then many other versions available, but I took that version there. And, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. Also became a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy to download the transcription which I wrote for you. And, let's see how the whole thing... I also created a backing track where you could practice with that one. But it's not really needed. It's really a simple song. The form is a little bit a problem. But the best is just to listen to the song a few times and go along with the lyrics, and then you cannot really go wrong. So let's get started. Okay guys, the song is in A minor. And I took the chords which Bill Withers played, but there's a second guitar on this recording, and that one I didn't check out. So I just took the original guitar thing by Bill Withers. And that one is pretty simple. I checked his fingerings in the video to see what positions were played. So that's how the whole thing works, like this. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Sorry for my singing. So that was the whole part. Sorry for my singing. I mean, it's not a singing lesson. I just want to show you how the whole thing works. It's really simple. We have a minor 7 chord here, 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret. A string is not played. You can play with a pick. I play with finger picking. Originals play with finger picking. Then you make 1 and 2. So thumb, third, and then the upper part 1 and 2. But first it just starts open like this. And then ain't no sunshine when she, and then it starts. And just with our band. And then you have the following figure. 1 like this, 1 and 2, and then it goes to E minor, just open string. Then to G7. That one sounds a little bit odd, but that's how the way it's played. 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. So then you wait again at 1 bar, and then the whole thing starts again. And then goes to E minor, and that one is played here. 7th fret here on the A string, 7th fret on the G string, 8th, and on the 8th on the B string. E7, E minor 7, same figure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to D minor 7. So that's the whole thing. I have a backing track here. I'm gonna play it for you. Let's just see how the whole thing works. So 2 bars ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now comes the B part. Now the band starts as sunshine when she's gone. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. And now comes the longer part. I don't go down. There's 6 bars. 6 bars of this. Whereas this I go do, and then the whole thing starts all over again. But a little exception. The first part is played 3 times. for what reasons ever, this one is played 3 times. So once again, then it goes to E minor 7, oh wait, let me see. Yeah, and then the whole thing is played again 3 times. Again, this will be the ending. It's the ending. And last time, and that's the ending chord which you hear there is this one here. But it's the other guitar which is played, but it's really important, so I'll show it's an E minor 9 chord. It's open A string, A minor 9 chord, open A string, then here in the 10th fret, 10, 9, 8, 7. So and that's it. Yeah, it's really a short song, but it's really a wonderful song. Yeah guys, that was probably one of my fastest tutorials ever, but there's not more to say about this song. It's a really good example of a song which is very simple, and it's a wonderful melody line of the singing. And what made it really famous is the sound of the voice of Bill Withers and the simplicity of the song. Yeah. So this is the guitar part of it. If you want to do the singing, that's not my business. I mean, you heard me, I'm not a good singer, but that's all about that. If you want to have the transcription of the whole song and the backing track to practice, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy for premium members, but also please join my Guitar Academy as a free member to join the little community, guitar community that we are building. If you love my channel, please share it to all your friends. And please also write me a review on Google Maps, HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Thanks guys, me and Dr. Finger saying goodbye.